I'm at 1065 Allston. We are in Cleveland Heights. Very beautiful street, brick, quiet, very quiet here. Brick house is a very elegant house. Big room sizes. This house has just got, you can see the brickwork. This is a neat house. And it doesn't look big, but it is big inside. It lives big. Let's head in. So a little foyer here. And then once you pop inside, you're in this huge living room. So that's just half of it looking that way. You've got that big, beautiful fireplace. And this is the rest of it. So it is a big room. Just to give you some concept of how far away it is. Got some built-ins. Fireplace is sandstone. I think it's just really very neat. And then again, very open. We've got the big dining room here. Looks out over the backyard. And again, it's open floor plan. They've opened up the kitchen here. It's a big kitchen. I would say it's probably not the best utilization of space, but over time you could really figure this out, do something very nice. You do have first floor laundry. There's also laundry hookups in the basement. There is a pantry here. Again, windows looking out the back. But this is a livable kitchen, but over time, you could switch things around a little bit, and I think it would be awesome. Let's head upstairs. This railing needs to be reattached, but you come up, you get 3 bedrooms here. This is another just giant room. It's got 2 closets, but yeah, this is just, you could put a king bed in here with other furniture and have plenty of other space. This is the 2nd bedroom. This is also a big space. It's got a nice sized closet. And the 3rd bedroom looks small, but it's not small because these other rooms are so big. I mean, it's just kind of a typical 2nd bedroom. But then there was this bonus space back here. Call it a dressing room, but it's got a lot of windows. But this would be a great place for a desk or something like that. Maybe stereo, spin some vinyl in here. But kind of a nice little private room off this bedroom. Or if you had an office in here, that could be an office, his and hers office, his and, however you want to work things. Nice big closet in the bathroom. It's got newer tub surround, newer flooring. Got some more built-ins, and there's more. Heading up to the 3rd floor. This is another huge space. It's kind of the theme with this house. You also have 9-foot ceilings up here. It's got a big closet. So, I call the one downstairs a master. This could also be a master too. I mean, this is just enormous. Also could be a great place for, put your rec room, family room, something like that. There's a half bath up here. So it's, lots of space. Just, if you got something to do with it, there's plenty of space in this house. Head down to the basement. There's more space down there. So off to the left is a rec room. Got 2 storage areas over there. So more space, big room. Got a full bath down here. Again, they're set up for if you wanted to move the laundry back down here, you could. Slop sink, everything's set up for it. And then here is your full bath. And I couldn't find a light in here, so here's your mechanicals. There's a lot of newer plumbing. I don't know the age of this stuff, but it looks pretty nice. Looks nice and clean. Even those fittings look good. And look at that electrical. All the new wiring, new box. Got PVC stack. Got a little storage area back here. Probably an old coal chute, coal room. Again, some new plumbing. And we'll head outside. There's a 2-car garage. They both bays have openers. This is kind of a neat yard. You got trees. It's very wooded. Still get some sunlight in here though. Brick garage too. Floor is in good shape. And that's all I got.